mo naman mag-start ka agad ng negosyo at kumita ng mabilis, okay, may product ka na kaagad na i-offer sa inyong mga customers, isa sa pinakamagandang option ay maging reseller po ng Sparkle products. Okay? Ang pinakamagandang part po nito, hindi mo kailangang mag-worry po doon sa quality ng mga products. And also doon sa paggawa po ng sabon at mga cleaning products na meron po tayo. Dahil ready-made na po ang mga ito and under pa ng trusted Sparkle brand. Pwede mong ibenta ang aming high-quality products sa mga kakilala mo, sa iyong mga community, or even online. This is actually a very good opportunity, lalo na sa mga bagong entrepreneurs na gusto magsimula nang hindi dumadaan sa hassle ng manufacturing. Kasi medyo hassle din po talaga ang manufacturing. You need to set up your process. Kasi nga, tested na, asigurado ka pa sa quality ng mga products. Kaya, mas madali pong ibenta. So, magkakaroon ka po ng confidence to sell again doon sa mga naging customers mo na. Because nga po, affordable and effective po ang ating mga products. Kaya po, magiging madali po ito para sa iyo na ibenta. Okay? Sa pagiging reseller, may minimal investment po tayo. Pero, malaki po ang potential na returns. So, if you are located po within the vicinity of Carmona, Cavite, Binyan, Santa Rosa, or any part in near Carmona, Cavite, let us know po, okay, on your message to us. Because for that matter, pwede po namin kayong puntahan. Pwede po namin kayong deliveran ng mga products na pwede nyo pong ibenta within your subdivision or within your vicinity. Wala pong problem yon. But if you are far from our head office, we still wanted you to have this opportunity by having po an email or someone who will call you about this program. So what we're going to do po is to give you orientation kung ano po yung mga products na pwede nyo pong i-offer. So paano naman kung wala ka talagang pangkapital, pero gusto mo pa rin magkaroon ng sabon business? Okay? Pwedeng-pwede po yan dito po sa atin sa Sparkle Sabon. By becoming a sales agent or an affiliate marketer of our Sparkle products. So kung gusto mo magkaroon ng sabon business, pero wala kang pampuhunan, pwedeng-pwede ka pong maging sales agent or affiliate marketer ni Sparkle. So ang maganda po dito, flexible po ang earnings natin. Pwede kang kumita ng komisyon sa bawat sale na magagawa mo. Alright? Work at your own pace. Pero syempre, we will encourage you to do the marketing as much as possible para mas marami po tayong mga ma-earn na commission from our sabon products. So, paano po ginagawa ito pong sales agent? So, all you need to do is to sign up po dun sa ating membership form or application form na kasama po sa video na ito. Okay? Then, once na makapag-apply po kayo as sales agent, someone will call you po para ma-interview po kayo about this program. So, pag sales agent po tayo, ang ating pong i-deliver na products, syempre po ay yung mga Sparkle products. Po. So, kung handa ka na magsimula na yung Sparkle journey, message us or send your application as a sales agent here on this video. Okay, so our representative, our customer service representative can send you a message or call you. Okay, if you're going to have a sabon refilling station, we strongly suggest po na si Easy Mix po ang gamitin po natin. Ang ating pong Easy Mix dito sa Sparkle ay same quality ng kung ano po yung binebenta natin. Okay, what are the other benefits po of joining us? Okay, you will be part of our community, be part of our Facebook group, and you will also get to attend din po yung ating mga trainings na exclusive. And also, kapag po may nag-inquire po sa amin, po, which is marami po, mag nag-inquire po and then they're asking, may Sparkle ba sa ganitong area? Okay? So, kayo po directly ang ituturo po namin. Meaning, sa inyo na pong sales po yun. Because we wanted you po na maging profitable with this business. And we wanted to help you have the sabon business that you want. So what are you waiting for po? No po, sign up ka na. Opportunity mo na to earn income from a sabon business without having any inventory on your side.